Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this warm orange color grading that best fits for a sunset video on CapCut. So here I've already added a clip, and what you need to do first is go to the filter menu at the bottom and then add the orange blue filter on the night scene category and set it to around 82. Now click on adjust, and here you need to make the video warm by increasing the temperature to your liking. I'm going to go with 15, and also the hue I'm going to lower it to around 15 also, like the temperature, and then use this grab for the red and blue color. So for the red one, add 3 dots like this and make the center a little bit up. Okay, and for the blue one, create the same dot and lower the center like this. Okay, now it is done, and you need to add a second filter. So go to filter again and add the green orange, still on the night scene. Green orange, what is it? Sorry, I mean on the movies category. Green orange. Okay, this one, and adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 70, and then you are done, and this will be the final result. So guys, that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.